FIG stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday or Friday. Is it a buy or not? Let's end the week off quite strong. I'm going to be covering all this in this quick 1-minute video. Thing about Figma is that I've done well over, like, not just Figma, I've done over 45,000 videos and no one else in the space has come even close. Especially with Figma, I've gotten 2 trades recently. Both of them were the sell side predictions. One was a break even, one was a win here. Boom. Well, you can clearly see this was pre-market when it was 88 bucks, 13th of August, and since 13th of August we then came down. And now pre-market is 77.60, 65. For me, the only thing that will make it be bullish is a full candle close about 90 bucks, and we're nowhere near that. So I guess I'll just keep an eye on this and just, it's a bearish range, you know what I mean? Like nothing special, just recently got out of a winner trim trade. And if you want to stay tuned, you know, if you want to get free emails and insights, daily stock picks, click the first link in the description. It's free. Goodbye.